How to activate your GCash MasterCard online? Hello everyone, and let's get started. On today's video, we'll be discussing some of the points by which you can activate your GCash MasterCard. So to get started with, you have to download and install the GCash app. For this, you have to visit the Play Store, search for the GCash app and download it, and install the app on the mobile device. Next step would be to log in. For this, enter the mobile number and tap on Next. You will now receive one-time password sent to your registered number, and after that, you'll be successfully logged in. Now, once you have logged in, tap on the profile button located on the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap on My Linked Accounts. Now you have to add your GCash MasterCard. For this, on the next page, tap on GCash MasterCard. Then tap on Add a Card. Enter the 6-digit OTP sent to your registered number and tap Submit. Then your PIN card will be available on the GCash app. Then tap on Next and you'll receive a notification that you have successfully activated your GCash MasterCard. So the process is quite simple. You just have to go to My Linked Accounts, then to your GCash card, then add your card. After that, put in the credentials and the 6-digit PIN, then tap on Next and you're good to go. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.